What's up, guys? So, welcome to my channel. So, today we'll be doing a breakdown on what I'm expecting to see in the market this week. So, I have a lot of peers on my watch list, which I would like to, which I'm expecting setups to come on. So, I'll be breaking them down, and that's what this video is all about. So, the first one here is the GDP card. So, let me break it down. The GDP card. So I usually start from the weekly and monthly time frame when doing my analysis. So to get clearer pictures of how the market moves. Uh, so you can see that the current position of this market here, you can see we have a high here, and we can see that the market has been on an uptrend. You can see starting from this low, we have seen extensive highs. In the broader picture, we can see highs, and but here we can see a higher high, and we're expecting a higher low. So this is GDP card. So just looking at this market here, we can see that there is a possibility of this market going upward. So we have about 50% chance of it going upward. So this is one of the markets which I'm expecting um, to see a confirmation on before I take a buy trade. But that will be later on in the week, maybe this week or next week, depending on when the setup confirms. So we can see that this is just a clear break and retest. If we zoom in, we can go down to also go down to the daily time frame. But so let's just draw a line illustrating how the trend has been moving. You can see this is a high, price break a high, comes back and retest it and push upward. So we are seeing similar movement of this recurring here again, and we're expecting the price to go upward. So where is my future target? My projection is here, right here, this point here. That's my projection. So I'm waiting for the market to give um a valid change in the market structure, especially in the daily and 4 hours time frame, because now you can see it's still bearish. The last candle you can see that is this is a big bearish candle. There's no bullish candle here. They have defeated any bearish candle here. So we can see that this is still a very strong bearish push downward, but overall is an uptrend. So that's the first so that's what I look at for, and we can see this is the weekly time frame. We can draw a trend line here. Doesn't bite to draw a trend line, so we can see this is the first touch, the second touch, and this is the third touch of the trend line, which is also good. So we might see massive movement here. So I'm expecting this, and if we even take a Fibonacci from this last swing low, we take it to here, we can see we're in a sweet spot. Yeah, I think we're in a sweet spot of 50%, and which is just 50 around close to 61. So maybe price we're expecting a buy towards here. So let me go down to 4 hours, which will be my entry time frame. Let me delete this stuff so it won't be. So on 4 hours here, what would I be looking for? Just looking at this chart in a glance, we have here, we can see that this is a high that have held the market. You can see the market rejected from this point, pushed up, broke it, and came back retest. So I'm expecting this market to break above it. And when this market break above it, that is when I will be interested in buying this market upward. For now, we'll be waiting. It might be this week, it might be next week. So I'm always patient because the market is very sophisticated and is always there to take your money. So you have to be very careful when making your decision. So just take any decision you're clicking your buy and sell, take it as a financial decision. So be very, very, very conscious of every decision you make in the markets so that at the end you'll be able to profit in the long run. So that's that for GDP card. That's just a snap look on GDP card. I think this is the only zone I can see from the weekly time frame. So at least the market has a chance of going to that point, which is also nice. Also nice. So, but if the market fails to give me this year, and also I'll be looking for a good bullish candle breaking above this point here, then I'm not interested for a buy. Only when price finally breaks above here. So let's go to another pair which is my watch list. Another pair is AUD USD. So you can see I already had a marking here. So let me delete it and do a sharp analysis on it. So we can see here, what do we have here? We can see this is the high. This is the current high of the market. And clone it. And we have a zone here. Clone it. Have a zone here. Okay, now I see. Okay. Once you clone it, also here, we have a zone. So this market is looking a little bit of, it's consolidating though, but it has an uptrend structure, but not that lasting uptrend. So I'm beginning to lose interest on this market because of, we can see that this zone here that pushed this market down has been respected over all the years. I think, yeah, that's respected, and for months now it has been respected. You can see how price has been rejecting from that area. I think this was last year. Last year, price rejected. Okay, okay, sorry, this is the point here. Price rejected this year and dropped. So price rejected again. Okay, so here. So this point also price rejected here, price rejected here. So here at this point, I'm not okay seeing market coming down here. You might probably just get in here and you might get into a trap if you try buying and before you know market crashes down. It usually happens a lot of the time. So for me, I'm still interested, but I'm not that confident with this market giving me what I want. Kind of. I might see something like this. If this market breaks below here, we might witness something like this. Market coming down. So we might have something like this and price retesting here and before we say crash here. That's one scenario. The second scenario which we might have here is this market forming a bullish engulfing on our daily time frame. Then I'll be interested and we might see something like this and this. So on the smaller time frame, which is the H4 time frame, I'll be expecting a full reversal. Once I see a clean reversal, um, then I will be interested in just buying it. So let me just delete these drawings. Then only I will be interested in buying it. So you can see that the price has already broken the trend line, and so those are my scenario on this pair. Not that confident with it, but but if this market pushes up, if you know something like this is more sensible. But for me, it's preferred I just leave this market because on the buy side, there's no much place to take the market to. This place is just very close. Maybe my take profit might not even be up to the amount I need. So it's very tight. Except maybe if metal price gets here, I'll move my stop loss to break even and expect the best or the worst from the market. So that's that for AUD USD. So let me dive to the next pair which I'm expecting to trade this week. It's none other than we have GDP USD. Yeah, GDP USD. So this pair has been in my mind for a very long time now, and this was my analysis on it. Okay, why I think I like this pair at this point in time is that there is space for this market to travel. So we can see that just drawing our zones of on our weekly time frame. You can see here, this is where we have the next point which we'll be expecting a push, and we have this. This is nice. This is sensible. This is it. This is nice. So I'm okay with the GDP USD than AD USD because AD USD is a point whereby the market is about to change its direction. So we can see here we have been having higher highs. Uh, okay. So here we consolidated, and here at this point in time we start creating higher highs. This is a higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, and we have this. And before we're able to get to this point, so I'm okay with this pair. I'm okay with this pair. I think if you draw a feed, yeah, and below 61.8, and we're around 70 something. So I'm okay with this pair. All I just need is seeing a good daily engulfing candlestick here, and on 4 hours, a good W pattern or a double bottom, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, clear one. Uh, Let me just draw a picture of what I'm trying to say. Trying to see something like this, then I'll be interested in buying it upward. Not just to this point, I'll be okay even taking it to here, because you can see that clearly there's nothing holding this market if this market start moving except this point. So we might just take it somewhere here or yes and just go out of the market. So I'm okay with this. I'm okay with GDP USD buy and GDP card buy and AUD USD. AUD USD is 50-50. So but I won't take any trade until I see confirmations that meet my criteria. So I'll be dropping the link to the Telegram group where you will get access to the confirmation of the entries. So you can go there when I'm done with analysis. When I want to enter trade, I will send you an alert. I will send it there on the Telegram group stating that I want to take this trade. It's time to enter the trade. So let's look at the next pair, which is USD CHF. So USD CHF is a little bit is okay, a little bit okay. Though you can see this is a level. Only thing is that I'm not okay with this. There's a level here and there's a level here. It's just too congested. So I'll be leaving it. But if you want to take a trade on USD CHF, I think it's looking more like yeah, I'll just leave it. I'll just leave this pair. But if this pair is able to come below, like able to come down, let me draw a trend line, something like that, illustrating what I mean. Something like this. If this market is able to come below it, then I'm okay to sell downward. But for now, for USD Chef, yeah, this is just what I'll be looking for USD CHF. So the best time to sell, if I will take this trade, is when price comes down like this. Yeah, so I'll know that I have this. This will be in my favor, and this other zone will be on my favor. Be in my favor also. So I will have two zones fighting for me, and I might sell it down to the next destination. So, but for me, I'm not too hopeful on this pair, the USD CHF, but that's what I can see from the market. That's what the market is telling me. You can see that this is the zone. So from weekly, let me see if we have a Fibonacci. Yeah, we have now. This is like 50% movement. I think so. Yeah, we have a perfect 50. Okay, 0. Yeah, 50. That was 0.68 and 50. Just within that range. I think, let me see if we could get something like a trend line or so. Okay, look like they have already broken this trend line. Okay, I have this one here, which is not workable at this point in time. So let's see if we have another. This one has been broken. If you say, yeah. So for now, this is what I'm working with. So AD, USD, and USCHF are a little bit tricky. GDP USD, okay. So, but if I see a confirmation, only when I see a confirmation within these pairs, then I will take it. Then Euro GDP. I'm currently I was on a trade on Euro GDP. I think I was on a trade though. For me, I think by now maybe a trader would have hit me out on the break even. Came down only one is to 1 point something. So I was expecting more though, around 2.7. So we had this and around this zone. Hmm, it has been a nice one. If the trade would have continued down, I'll check. I think it already hit me out on break even. So that's that for the pairs I'm looking out for. Then BTC USD, I'm seeing a trade here. I'm seeing on a trade on BTC USD. Just the same simple method. You can see this is a low, high, low, higher high, yeah, a low, and here on 4 hours. I think what made me take this trade was just a very basic pattern, which is the W pattern, or some people call it the double bottom pattern. You can see it here playing out, and we're expecting the market. So this is where my take profit is, and here 1:2, very small trade. So market just pushing downward instead of hitting my take profit. Just repeat. So that's it. So that's the pairs I'm looking out for this week. So any pair you want me to cover, just comment and I will make a video on that, and also on my analysis and projection. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. So any topic at all you want me to cover, and also any pair you want me to analyze, so just drop it on the comment section and I will do that immediately. And also please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.